Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to ditch the factory turn signals and give you something more updated. If you're looking to upgrade your factory turn signal housings, today we're going to be installing these Mopar clear turn signal housings featuring an amber bulb fitting your 07 to 18 JK Wrangler. These Mopar front turn signal housings include everything that you need to get them bolted up on your Jeep Wrangler. It includes 2 amber bulbs as well as 2 clear housings that are commonly found in a 13 and newer JK Wrangler, and is going to give our 08 Jeep a new modern look. With that being said, we're going to pop out our old turn signal housings and get these installed. We're going to start ditching these factory amber turn signals by first pulling off the bulb in the back and then popping the housing off. Now you don't even need to remove your grill to do this, and I'll show you just how simple it is. Start by twisting this counterclockwise and pull it straight out. We can ditch this factory bulb here. To get the factory housing out, what you're going to do is actually push on the inside of it. There's a little clip, and just slide it over. There's one there, and there's one back here in the back. Just like that, it's out. The new Mopar clear housing actually comes with a new connector here in the back. So we're going to place this red tab upward and pull on this one down, get it out of the way, and the new one will just clip right back into place. Put that red tab down, and it's good to go. Each of the turn signal housings have a left hand or a right hand stamped onto them. Left hand is going to be your driver's side, and that's the one I have here. That's the one we're going to place in. Get the tabs lined up, give it a push, and you'll hear 2 clicks, and it's properly seated. Place the bulb into the back like so, and start from this position. You'll feel it go in, and then twist it clockwise. It's fully seated, we're good to go. Here's just a little side-by-side comparison. The factory turn signal housings are here on the left, and our new clear housings are on the right. I think the clear housings looks much better. It spreads out the light a little bit easier inside there, plus it matches the headlights and gives it that modern appearance. Well, we just wrapped up the installation of these Mopar front clear turn signals on our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. They look really nice, plus they match the headlights with that clear background. I think they look great on the front end of our Jeep and gives it that nice modern touch. It takes about 5 minutes to install these, and you can find more parts for your JK Wrangler right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.